I love drawing since I was 5 years old. At that age, other kids are having fun learning to write letter and number. But I prefer to make random sketches with a pencil. It all started when I was 4 years old. I really like watching cartoons. I always watch the same series every day. But sometimes I feel that too long to wait for tomorrow to watch my favorite character. So I want to draw a picture of my favorite character and then I can always see it without waiting for tomorrow. Because we know that at the time it was very rare for people to have smartphones and watch YouTube. Yeah, I know you understand about that. Day by day, I like to draw more and more. Over time, I do it no longer just because I just want to see my favorite character all the time. But it has become a hobby for me. I really like to sketch cartoon and then combine them in several comics panels. So at the moment until now, yeah, I always do that every day. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.